Welcome to Mark's Moments Video Library. These videos are intended for the exclusive use of our agents here at Realty Executives, Arizona Territory. The videos are designed to be a brief overview of frequently asked questions and topics from our agents. If you are in need of a more in-depth discussion on any of the topics in our video library, please call one of our members of our management team. The information on these videos is intended to be used as a guide, not a substitute for legal advice. Thank you.
Welcome to another installment of Mark's Minutes. I'd like to talk today a little bit about the on-site wastewater treatment addendum and septic inspections. It's always one of the least fun things to talk about, but it's something we have to address. And on the contract acknowledges whether or not there is a septic system or not. If there is, then there should be an on-site wastewater treatment addendum accompanying the contract for the buyer. There is an Arizona Administrative Code, which has the effect of law, which requires that all sellers must have a septic system inspected prior to transfer, and it's within 6 months prior to transfer. And the ownership and transfer must be transferred to the buyer within 15 days of close of escrow. It cannot be waived. Buyer and seller, even on a cash transaction, may not waive it. Two people cannot agree to break the law, and it's one of those things. So it has to be done. Even if the owner seller is a bank, it must be done. So the seller has to have the septic inspected, and normally that will require it to be pumped in order to be inspected. The on-site wastewater treatment addendum kind of picks up where the Arizona Administrative Code leaves off. So what if there are repairs to be made? Who's going to do that, and who's going to pay for that? So the on-site wastewater treatment addendum fills in that gap. So in the event there are repairs to be made using the proper addendum, the seller will be required to pay up to 1% of the purchase price for any repairs. So if you represent a buyer, be sure to use the on-site wastewater treatment addendum. If you represent a seller, just be advised that it cannot be waived. It is a rule, code, law, whatever you want to call it, but it is a requirement for every seller to transfer every septic tank. So if there's more than one septic tank on a property, that would apply to however many septic tanks there are. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact one of us in agent support. Thank you.